Welcome to this introduction to Notion, the all-in-one workspace that can help you organize your work and streamline your productivity. In this video, we'll be exploring the key features of Notion and showing you how to get started with this powerful tool. Let's start with the Notion dashboard. When you first sign up for Notion, you'll be presented with a blank canvas where you can create your own pages, databases, and boards. Notion is highly customizable, which means you can create your own unique workspace that suits your specific needs. To get started with creating a new page, simply click on the plus button in the sidebar and choose the type of page you want to create. Notion offers a variety of templates to choose from, including task lists, calendars, and project management tools. You can also create your own custom templates to suit your specific needs. Databases are a powerful feature of Notion that allow you to organize your data in a structured way. You can create a database for anything from your to-do list to your recipe collection. Notion provides many different types of databases, such as tables, lists, and calendars, so you can choose the format that works best for you. Boards are another way to visualize your work in Notion. Boards are similar to Trello boards, and allow you to move cards around to track the progress of your tasks or projects. Notion is available on all platforms, including desktop, mobile, and web, which means you can access your work from anywhere, at any time. The mobile app is especially useful for when you're on the go and need to check your tasks or notes quickly. Notion integrates with many other tools, such as Google Drive, Slack, and Trello, which makes it even more powerful and versatile. You can also use Zapier to connect Notion with even more tools and automate your workflows. Notion takes security seriously and provides multiple layers of protection to keep your data safe. You can set permissions and control access to your workspace, so you can rest assured that your work is secure. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into some of the more advanced features of Notion. Notion allows you to create linked databases, which means you can create relations between different databases and display related information in one place. You can also create formulas to perform calculations and automate tasks. Notion provides many different templates for different types of work, such as project management, personal goals, and education. These templates are a great starting point if you're not sure where to begin. Notion has a vibrant community of users who share their templates, tips, and tricks on social media and other platforms. You can learn a lot from other Notion users and get inspired to try new things. That's it for our introduction to Notion. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now ready to start using Notion to organize your work and increase your productivity.